Okay guys, Janine here, and I'm a little excited because I was inspired last night from watching somebody else's house tour. And I showed my closet before, but I've never showed it all neatened up. I got rid of 3 bags of clothes today, vacuumed, organized. It feels so good to purge. It really, really does. I normally don't keep dresses out here, but we're going to New York for 4 days for an event, a family party event, and I just want to not forget what dresses to bring and what I'm thinking of. But normally I don't have them hanging there. That's an exit door for fire escape, which is pretty cool for a condo apartment. And let's show you. Okay, here's my clothes, and you'll see it's nice and not crowded with all excess clothing and stuff. Because this is a lot. And when I go to New York, I'll show you. I think I'll do a tour there if you like, and show you just why and how much stuff I have in 2 places. It's getting out of hand. I'm overwhelmed by myself, so to speak. Okay, so this is really, really necessary and really feels good. There's my jeans, and this is like really a third of what I have. I've been giving away for the last few years. I had like a jean fetish, a craziness. It's my favorite piece of clothing. I grew up in the 70s, and I love my jeans. I used to wear Lee jeans and Wrangler. Anybody remember those? My dating myself. So it looks nice when you can see everything on the shelves, and it's neat. And my clothes and the jeans, see? All the spaces amongst the hangers in the back. I put one spring blazer jacket from Banana I keep there in case it gets cool here. And I like being able to see everything. And honestly, I don't wear any of this stuff unless I have somewhere decent to go. I don't walk around. I don't get dressed to say, like, to go to Publix or shopping. I just don't. I wear cutoffs and a t-shirt, and I'm a real simple girl, woman, whatever have you. There's some bags. This used to be loaded, and I used to have up here. Now that's a guest room blanket. That used to be extra bags, and over here, but now it's a pillow, which no problems. I've been wearing the same little I don't know who my bag is by, but it's small, it's red. Here's the little mess I have to get to in here. Extra sheets. That's dog bag, we travel, but I gotta get that. See down here? See, I'm on Poshmark too, and because I'm on YouTube, I'm doing all the content, I haven't had time to organize my Poshmark closet, but now, because I'm doing this, I will get to that, because that's a great way to get rid of all stuff. I did a lot of bags on Poshmark and got rid of them. So let me swing this way. These are all Vincent's. He never wears hardly his either. They stay neat and clean, and he's very neat. He folds everything. Vinny folds dirty clothes. I'm not kidding. He does. If I throw something on the floor because I'm the dirty girl, he'll pick it up, fold it, and put it on the edge of the bed for me to decide, go to the dirty clothes or put it away. He's like that. That's pretty cool. See these? I keep saying I got to change them because they're awful. They say hefty, but I bought them when we moved in here just to. It's good to keep your shoes in something, and it's being cheap. I didn't want to go to Closets or Us or what's that one? Oh, the Container Store. These little containers like that. They're like, I don't know, $15 for their acrylic see-through or something. And at the time, I had 3 times that amount of shoes, and I'm not the type to just put some in the box and leave others out. If one pair has a box, everybody got a box. So that's it. We don't wear any of this. That's why little by little I'm giving it away. Those are brand new in a box, never worn. So there you go. These are both new. Thought I was going somewhere for Christmas and holiday. Yeah, okay. All right. And I'm just happy to share that with you because I know you like the pantry tour. It's not the same, but I'm the same person. I like to look at other people's homes, their closets, their rooms, because I get inspiration. And like I said, I watched her tour last night, and she just blew me away with how neat. I mean, it was more smaller than my apartment, but the neatness and the organization just blew me away. I love seeing stuff like that because then I get up and I say, wait a minute, let me fix my house. Look, I vacuumed my floors, my bedroom. I normally don't do it every single day, but like I was inspired. And I got to cook out a meal and do a video. So there you go. Sorry for the swinging and swaying. That would be me. Okay, let me know in the comments, please, if you like this or not, or if I should continue with just food only. If you don't say so, I won't know so. Please comment. Say, hey, yeah, I like, or give me a thumbs up. If I see you like this closet video, then I'll know I could interchange some other things besides the food like I do on Janine's Kitchen. But if not, I'll stay to just easy cooking, Janine's easy cooking, like I said, because I changed the name to try to fine tune it. But I'm finding my way. So let me know by likes or comments if you enjoy seeing other things.